Alright, so ProtonMail finally dropped their desktop app. And if you're into privacy and clean design, this one's probably been on your radar. I've been using it for a bit now, and here's the quick lowdown. First off, it looks super clean. No ads, no clutter, just a really minimal, Gmail-like layout, but with better vibes. You've got your inbox, folders, custom labels, and all that good stuff. Dark mode? Yup, it's there and looks slick. And if you're a keyboard shortcut nerd, good news, it supports those too. Everything feels fast and smooth. But here's where ProtonMail really flexes: privacy. Emails are end-to-end encrypted, which means not even Proton can read them. Your data? It's stored in Switzerland, so it's protected by strong privacy laws. Not sitting on some US server being scanned for ad targeting. No trackers, no creepy ads. Just email, the way it should be. Now, it's not perfect. You do need a paid plan to use the desktop app, so free users are out of luck. Also, because everything's encrypted, the search function is limited. Like, you can't always search the actual content inside emails. And there's no offline mode yet, which is kind of annoying if you travel a lot or work without stable internet. So overall, if you care about your privacy and want a smooth, no-nonsense email experience, the ProtonMail desktop app is definitely worth it. It's not packed with every feature under the sun, but it nails the basics and keeps your data safe. If you're already using ProtonMail, grab it. If not, maybe it's time to make the switch. That's it. Peace out and keep your inbox private.